Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the fingerprint flex on the Motorola Moto G 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply gentle heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the phone with the back cover facing down on a heating pad and run the mobile phone heating cycle. Alternatively, use a heat gun or hair dryer and apply heat evenly around the edges. Avoid overheating, as excessive heat can damage the back cover or internal components. Next, use a suction cup at the bottom mesh to create a small gap. Insert a plastic cup pry tool into the gap and carefully slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Keep the tool shallow and take your time. If needed, reapply some heat. Once the adhesive is fully separated, gently lift and remove the back cover. It is recommended to remove the old adhesive from the frame before reassembly. Verify the SIM tray is out. Next, remove the 19 screws secured in the mid frame. Next, use a plastic carpet tool to create a small opening between the midframe and the body. Start from near the SIM tray area and gently work around the edges to release the plastic clips. Take your time during this step and avoid using excessive force. Be careful while lifting the midframe, as the fingerprint flex cable is still connected. Once all clips are released, gently lift the midframe from the body. Next, disconnect the battery connector and then disconnect the fingerprint flex to remove the midframe from the body. Next, remove the faulty fingerprint flex from the frame. Carefully peel and remove the fingerprint flex from the mid frame. Next, position the new fingerprint button flex cable and secure it properly to the frame. Ensure the flex cable is aligned and firmly attached. Next, secure the fingerprint plug. And then secure the battery connector. Next, place the mid-frame back onto the body and align it properly. Press gently around the edges to snap it into place. Make sure all the clips are secured. Finally, secure the mid-frame by adding 19 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.